Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove the right engine mount and the engine mount support on a Ford Focus year 2005 with a 1.6 Ti-VCT engine. We start by removing the coolant tank. In order to remove the engine mount support, first we need to remove the alternator. The alternator is held by two bolts on top and one on the side. That's the alternator removed. Now we don't need to remove it fully, we just need to be put on the side. Next, we remove the engine mount. Before removing the engine mount, we need to jack the engine on the bottom so that it doesn't fall. And that's the engine mount out. Next, we need to remove the engine mount support. That's the engine mount support out.